Hi, I'm down here. This is question 71 on stoichiometry. 40 grams of metal is added to water in a cylinder. The volume of water in the cylinder increases by 4.5 mil. Calculate the density of the metal. Now, if you want to solve this question, what you have to know is that density of a substance, the metal in this case, is equal to the mass of the metal divided by the volume of the metal. Now, the mass of the metal is given to us there as 40 grams. So we just need to think about what the volume of the metal should be. Okay. If you're dropping the metal in water, and the volume of water in the cylinder rises by 4.5 mil. It means that it is the metal that you dropped in the water that caused the level of the water to rise by that amount, 4.5 mil. Meaning that the 4.5 mil, which is the distance traveled or the change in volume, is basically the volume of the thing you dropped into the water, okay, which is the volume of the metal. So that's how we've been able to justify that the volume of the metal is equal to 4.5 mil and the mass of the metal is equal to 40 grams. Then we know that density of the metal will be the mass of the metal divided by its volume. The mass can be in grams here and the volume can be in mil. So by the time you put that together, you realize that that will be equal to 40 divided by 4.5. And what would that give us when we calculate? That's about 8.89 grams per mil. And that is the answer to the question. Okay, let me know what you think about this question. Did you get the explanation? Was it easy? Let me know in the comments. All right.